right. Hello, everybody. My name is Shang-Hung. So, all right. So, transformer. I believe here I like to assume that everybody know what transformer is by now. So, transformer has been kind of like enabling technology to all the terms with AIs behind it. So, so starting from the language model to all this generative AI, and now into this visual or audio perception. And I also assume that everybody know what this multi-head attention is. So I believe if you are not, then I believe there are many talks in this summit that will cover this part. So rather, I will focus on how to implement, how to realize the transformer into embedded device. And in particular, on the vision part, that is what we call this vision transformer, the VIT part. Okay, so before I dive into that, just like a few slides to introduce ourselves. So VeriSilicon is actually a company that makes chip design service and the process IP licensing. So our processor including GPU, NPU, DSP, ISP, video codec, and the display. So basically everything in the multimedia system besides CPU, we have a license for that. So I come from the NPU division. So our NPU has been in the market for over 7 years. And early this year, we just passed the mark of 100 million AI chips that using our technology in there. So our customer is actually pretty wide, has a very wide spectrum base for these different applications. And this one is our latest NPU with our VIP 9000 series. So to support this upcoming generative AI era, so our NPU is capable of not only just running the CNN, LSTM, but also this transformer-based model. So for example, the stable diffusion or the Llama 2, these are stable diffusion is for like the text-to-image generation. Llama 2 is an open source large language model. So this one we basically can hit the state-of-the-art performance on the embedded NPU domain without any modifications.